There we are, folks.
We might have to start the igloo.
Oh yeah. Blizzard of '09. There's the 4Wheezy. Bots on it. Ripping it up. We got everyone over at Atallians' house. Got a bunch of food. A bunch of people. Dwee, Jeremy, Ryan, Joanna, Brian, Sam, Chris, Jacqueline, the boys out here. Got Dwee, Ashton. I haven't had some snow like this in a minute. I think that's Ashton over under the tree.
Yep.
And Jaden with Dwee. Here comes. It is coming down. This is what I'm talking about. Ooh, good song. That's the jet right there. This little system I hooked up. Volume control on the wall. Speakers. Unit. Speakers. People just walking around, waiting for George and Brian to come back on the tube. How you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good.
Videotaping for folks elsewhere?
Yeah, exactly. It's once in a little while type of occurrence for us, you know.
Yeah.
So.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, you too, man. Take it easy. It is coming down. There's the truck. BA's house. Looking all good. We're about a week before Christmas. So this is a rare occasion for us. That's for sure. Excuse me. Here they come. Oh, check this out. Yeah. Yeah, dog. Oh, you gotta be cold, dude. Oh, you.
I got brain freeze.
What's up, George? Holy shit, dude.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good. If you have goggles, it'll be alright.
Woo. That's what I'm talking
about. Oh my god. It's good. This thing's too much fun.
Isn't it fun?
Yes.
All I did is I put a 1/2 lower counter sprocket in the front.
Yeah.
One lower. Yeah, one because I put 22 tires.